This is the Anakin Skywalker lightsaber from Attack of the Clones. It's made by Master Replicas. It's the first lightsaber replica that they made. Not 100% sure on that, but that's my understanding, and it makes sense because they've made many improvements along the way. Then, of course, they went out of business, and now Hasbro makes them with, again, many improvements. Let's start out by turning it on. You don't use the activation box. You turn the switch here, push it up, and we'll turn the light off. It's not as bright as the newer models, but that's somewhat, to be expected. Also, sometimes when you shut it off, it doesn't happen every time, but when you shut it off, the light will go off, but the sounds still continue, or maybe the light still continues. It does have some glitches like that. Let's do a quick review. The pommel, you got the speaker covering the entire bottom, which the newer models don't have that. You have the grips, which are similar to Anakin's other lightsabers. CoverTech wheel. We're going to do a video. The next video I do will be a progression of Anakin Skywalker / Darth Vader's lightsabers, how they had progressed throughout the movies. There's the activation box, similar to Vader's, and the whole thing is very similar to Darth Vader's lightsaber. Of course, the main difference is these two dummy LEDs. They do not light up, unfortunately, and the chrome emitter. These unscrew here, and then you have this Allen key here, but I don't believe this is a removable blade, so I don't want to remove those. I'm not sure what will happen. Really, the only reason you would buy this, another problem, is there's this lip. The material inside the blade, this line goes all the way up. That's not on the newer models either. So the only reason you would buy this, in my opinion, is to collect it as a collector's item, because if you wanted a nice bright lightsaber to show or play with, to display, this would not be a wise choice, again, in my opinion. And let's open it up. You simply turn this sideways, take this screw out, and then unscrew this counterclockwise. Let's do that now to see the battery compartment. All right, there's the battery compartment. This is very delicate. I mean, if you just pick it up and touch it, it's very delicate. You got to be careful. It takes 6 AA batteries. The newer ones usually take 3 or 3 AAA batteries. So I'm glad they changed that. Another problem is when you screw this, you have to line up the screw in here with this hole, which means you can't screw it tightly. So the whole hilt is very loose. And, that's unfortunate as well. So, all right, well, there is the Anakin Skywalker lightsaber from Attack of the Clones. I've seen some of these that have been converted by KR Sabers or, some of the other companies, and they do a really nice job. But this would be more for a collector's item, the first master replicas. Or maybe it's the second. I don't know. You can comment on that below if you have any more information. Stay tuned. I'll have another video up real soon with the progression of Anakin's lightsabers throughout the movies. Thank you. Until next time, may the Force be with you.